Hello dear students and welcome to our English class. This is English for the 8th class and today's topic is reading and it's greetings from planet Earth. In this lesson we are going to predict the content of the text, we are going to scan the text for information and also to learn and practice new vocabulary. Let's start. Here we have some keywords of the text. Let's try to match these words and translate them into Albanian. The first word is space exploration, explorimi I hapësirës në gjuhën shqipe, which goes with this picture. Next word is, or phrase is time capsule, kapsul kohore, goes with this picture. The third word or phrase is solar system, sistemi diellor, with this picture. And the last word is spacecraft, anije kozmike. Okay, let's look at this picture. Is it a human? What do you think? What is that? And let's look at the first sentences of each paragraph. So the title is Greetings from Planet Earth. Is there anyone out there? In 1977, NASA scientists launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. It was difficult to decide what to put on the record. Carl Sagan, a scientist on the team, said that it was like a message in a bottle from a desert island, and that it would carry something hopeful about life on our planet. Now that we read the keywords of the text and that we also read the first sentences of each paragraph, also describing the picture, what do you think? What is the text about? Can you guess it? So we might say that this is a creature from another planet. It's not a human. And the text is about space exploration. Let's read the text together. As you see, the text is organized into 4 main paragraphs. Let's start with the first paragraph. Is there anyone out there? From the beginning of time, the human race has looked to the stars and asked this question. Today, technology makes space exploration possible and allows us to search for answers. In 1977, NASA scientists launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The 2 spacecraft were on a mission to find out more about space and transmit the information back to Earth. They also carried a message to inhabitants of other planets. This message came in the form of a golden record, like a time capsule. It was difficult to decide what to put on the record. Scientists wanted it to represent all the people, languages, and species on our planet. So they included information in writing, pictures, and sounds that tell the story of planet Earth. There are greetings in 55 languages, as well as sounds like thunder, whale song, and even a mother's kiss. There are 115 photographs and 90 minutes of music from around the world. Carl Sagan, a scientist on the team, said that it was like a message in a bottle from a desert island and that it would carry something hopeful about life on our planet. Nobody has answered the message yet, but as Voyager 2 is about to leave our solar system, it still has a long way to go. Who knows? E.T. might just be waiting to greet our messenger. So this is the text. Now that we read the text, let's go through some questions about the text. Usually, the first question is a general question about the text, or it might be found in the first paragraph of the text. Let's look at the question. How many spacecraft did the NASA scientists launch into space in 1977? 3, 2, or 1? How many spacecraft? Let's check out the text. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which means they launched 2 spacecraft. So the correct answer is B, 2. Next question. Why did the NASA scientists launch the spacecraft? Why? What was the reason? A, they wanted to find new friends in space. B, they wanted to learn more about space, or C, they wanted to find new lands to live on. Also, this information, we might find it in the same paragraph. To find out more about space and transmit the information back to Earth. So it means it's B. They wanted to learn more about space. Next question. Question number 3. What was the other function of the spacecraft? A, to take a message from planet Earth to life on other planets. B, to bring a message from the people of other planets to planet Earth. Or C, to find new planets for people on Earth to move to. Again, this information is found in the second paragraph. They also carried a message to inhabitants of other planets, which means it's the first option, option A, to take a message from planet Earth to life on other planets. And the last question. Why wasn't it easy for scientists to choose what to put on the record? Why wasn't it easy? What was the reason? A, there wasn't a lot of space on the record. B, they wanted to include information about many things. Or C, there were too many languages to represent. And the information can be found here. The scientists wanted it to present all the people, languages, and species on our planet. So it is the second alternative. They wanted to include information about many things. Let's move on. Here we have some collocations or compound nouns. Let's match them. The first one is space, and we already learned it. It is space exploration. The second one is time capsule. The third one, desert. We said desert island. And the last one, solar system. Now let's use these collocations or compound nouns in these sentences. The first sentence. The ship found the survivors on what? On a desert island. Second sentence. Many people disagree with the money spent on what? Space exploration, time capsule, or solar system? Space exploration. The third one. How many planets are in our solar system? And the last one, what should we put in the time capsule to represent our civilization? For next time, you will have to write about if you were to send a time capsule into space. You can put 5 things that represent your nation. Decide what to put in it. Write about 40 to 50 words about this issue. That was all for today. Thank you for your attention.